So are you all ready to engage? And I mean, truly give your full attention to connect and learn and unlock access for each other. Let's see it in the chat. I'm seeing people say they're ready, getting some applause. Excellent. So with that, it's my pleasure to invite our first speaker today. And here's what I want you to think of. Really be intentional about trying to meet a minimum of 3 people during the networking activity today. So it's my pleasure to introduce Gina Fratarcangeli. She's the Managing Director of Market Unit Sales Leader of Accenture, and also one of the Women in Cloud Board of Advisors. So I'm going to invite Gina to join me on stage here today, and she'll be speaking to you with a great power talk. Gina, welcome.
Hi, thanks, Noelle. Can everyone hear me okay?
Yes, we can. Take it away, Gina.
Awesome. Well, no, thank you so much for having me. And thank you so much for everyone who joined today. We have a phenomenal panel today that I'm really excited about. And as we look at the activities for today, I'll share some thoughts on the data and statistics of what we're seeing with women in the space, and then we'll get into that panel. And then most importantly, I think for each one of you who's taken the time out to participate is the breakout roundtables and the opportunity for you to really get some one-on-one time with senior Accenture folks and understand and learn a little bit more about the workings of Accenture and what goes on behind the curtain. So the time here is really for you to give you a chance to build your network. And what Reza said is so important there about taking the time to reach out. And networking in person is difficult and awkward sometimes, and networking virtually is equally difficult and awkward sometimes. So let's all just get out there and get to know one another. Spend some time having the chance to do the introductory conversations at those roundtables. I know every WIC event I've ever gone to, I have just a wonderful time getting to know the different women who show up, and also helping those women network with other women and making those personal connections. So as I usually do for these kind of events, I'm going to challenge each one of you to build that relationship with the people you meet, but then also figure out 1 to 5 different ways you can help those people who you're having conversations with network with other people in your personal and professional networks. That's how we'll all keep getting better. So please take that as a call to action that I hope you will all be willing to participate in today. So thinking about this lunch and learn session, hopefully some of those, have any of the folks, a show of hands of anyone who's attended any of the other lunch and learn sessions with Women in Cloud? I think a few folks there. Good. Well, so it's a great opportunity for you to really get to learn the organization. The Lunch and Learn series is set up to be experiential and designed to help open doors for folks with leading Fortune companies and technology business leaders at those companies. So the intimate learning setup is a space for you to learn about how you can do business with Accenture, understand our company culture, and get access to some of the decision makers and the folks in our procurement process. So it's for you. And as a proud sponsor of Women in Cloud, Accenture is so pleased to be hosting the event today. Our goal for this session is a highly curated experience. So having an environment where the audience is tech entrepreneurs and other Accenture leaders, women in the technology space who are out there trying to learn more about how to do work with companies like Accenture and Accenture specifically for their own professional advancement and the advancement of their careers. And this is so important to Accenture. We so value investing in women in cloud and investing in women in technology. Reza touched on a little bit some of the challenges in the global economy right now and in the marketplace for women. And at Accenture, we really believe that the future lies in a work culture of equality and a workforce in which everyone is equal. And we underscore our conviction with bold goals to promote gender equality in a sustainable manner. And I'm so proud to be part of an organization that has set such ambitious goals that by 2025, we want to achieve gender parity worldwide. A pretty powerful and ambitious goal that we are undertaking and undertaking it with intense rigor. So at Accenture right now, more than 200,000 women are part of our team around the world, contributing to this environment that recognizes individuality, respects personal achievement, and promotes responsibility. Right now, 44% of all of our new hires are female, 22% of our top management is female, and 29% of our supervisory board members are women. So the numbers are increasing. Yes, each year over year, our stats are getting better, and we're going to keep striving to make that happen. And we're really investing in the community. It's not just about bringing folks into Accenture to help, but really the outward reach programs that we've established and are participating in. There's hundreds of programs around the globe. A couple here in North America that I'm really excited about is the ongoing effort with Girls Who Code to get the next generation of coders up there. The Mom Project, where we're actively reaching out to women who've taken some time out of the workforce to raise their families, who've had great experiences and really want to come back with a rich career. We're proactively reaching out to those folks and giving them access back into Accenture in ways that haven't been able before, with very flexible schedules to accommodate our changing lifestyle needs. And of course, our investment in WIC. We're very excited about that and super excited about the challenge that lays ahead of us, leveraging groups like Accenture Ventures, which you're going to hear about from Ashley on our panel today, how we are at Accenture itself investing in startups and how you can take that knowledge and learning and see what our Accenture Venture groups could potentially do for you. So we're investing in female startups, not just with dollars, but with talent and networking, and we're making things happen for women in technology. So we've talked about some of the things that are going to happen today. We're really hoping you get some things out of it. Two things important for you. Number one is the relationship building, so connecting with the leadership that we've talked about. And then number two, a deeper understanding of Accenture's role in the cloud space and how we're continuing to lead here with innovation and create a culture where we are looking for the next waves of technology, and how we can have a critical role in this endeavor and how we can help other female-led companies have critical roles in that.